Hey guys, are you facing network connection issues while exporting new videos on Capcut or trying new filters, sound effects on Capcut? Don't worry, I have got your back. So after watching this video, what I can make sure is you don't need to watch any other videos. This video will solve all of your problems related to network connection issues, exporting problems and all. So let's try to be quick. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Capcut export error and how to fix no internet issues in templates and in filters as well. So now let me explain in a clear way. All you need is Capcut and VPN. If Capcut not available in your country, you need VPN to use the service. So it's depend upon your region. Now you need to connect to VPN where Capcut available, like United States, United Kingdom, Singapore, Netherlands, Hong Kong, Vietnam, like that. So it's upon your choice. After connecting, make sure you like Chrome and search for Capcut, sign up in search bar, and you will be redirected to Capcut official website sign up portal. Now I suggest you to sign up using mail manually, using temporary mail from Play Store. You can get it from Play Store, open it, and you can get a temporary email for order to get our sign up, where copy and paste here and continue with password to connect. Create account. If you try to create or sign up using Capcut mobile application, you may face some kind of you can't create account like that because it's third party and somewhat modification or something else happened maybe. So I suggest you to create account in Capcut official website and now try to open Capcut app, me, and sign in with email manually. Now you can input your email address and password that you created just a few minutes back. Finally, sign in successful. Now you can able to use Capcut without any export error or templates error, but still you are restricted to use some server-side features like AI or some few templates, maybe because they require payment stuffs or subscription based one. Let me tell you something. I just edited and uploaded this video using this app. Here you can see the screenshot and the steps to fix. Okay, that's all. If any kind of issues faced, then feel free to comment. I am always there to help. Thank you.